Alright, YouTube watchers, here we have this SMC 36-inch industrial. Let's go up here and look at the tag. So, I got this fan while I was in West Palm Beach also. Go ahead and put it on low. What originally was going to happen was I'm going to go over there and pick up a black Moss Caribbean Breeze 36 Industrial. So I didn't do that. I got there, I picked up the fan, and I tipped it sideways, and water poured out of the motor. We're talking like about a good 1 or 2 cups of water. I looked at the owner, they looked at me, I was like, is this thing waterlocked? They said, I'm sorry, and they gave me this fan instead. So, and yet it worked out, I got a better fan. Hopefully that was going to go to medium. So now I have a 36-inch industrial for a 8-inch industrial with SMC, and technically I have the 56-inch because it's under Hampton Bay label. Let's go ahead and get a high. Just like the other SMC industrials, these things are quite powerful. Low stat steel fans. This combination of fast RPMs and very steep blade pitch. Pretty powerful industrials are being standstill. I'm happy to have another one of them. This is also another fan I'll be keeping. I did find a version like this maybe a year ago, maybe, but it had the switch housing. And I don't care for the switch housing, so I sold it. So, happy to have one without the switch housing. There we go. Thanks for watching.